Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Beaumont Elementary School in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District, home of the Bears. I got to visit them again for my second time this school year, 2023-2024. I have one more coming up in March or April next semester, but the focus for today was on leadership and turning our passion into our purpose, that things that we love to do that bring us life, bring us that fire in our, in our belly, in our insides, that we can already be using those gifts to help others, right? And the shirt that I wear for this assembly, you'll see it on the screen here too, the image, the multicolored peace sign. It's different colors because there's so many different ways to be a leader, right? We can lead with our voice, be very loud leaders, vocal leaders like myself. I talk a lot. We can be more quiet leaders, have that quiet strength and lead by example, by action. And there's no right way or wrong way to be a leader as long as we're doing something positive to uplift others, in this world. You also see that's in the shape of a heart because that's where our passion has to begin, right? In each of our hearts. And the students really took that to heart today. A lot of them shared their heart with me after, talked about some things that they're going through in their lives, that they wanted to kind of work through some of that emotion. And they understood that they have to. It's not easy to do that. But until we do, we can't really be fully in for this earth, right? And talking about our purpose, it ties into our legacy, right? What we want to be remembered for, which is hopefully someone's helping hands, someone that has strong character, like the bowling ball example that we talked about today too. We're always really focusing on doing the right thing and not to necessarily get money for it or get a trophy, or an award on the wall. We're just doing it because it's the right thing to do, right? And not trying to brag about it, but we're trying to stay humble, under the radar, so that, we don't have to always say, hey, I did this, check out me. We're just, again, doing it for the right reasons. And the story of the starfish, that every action, no matter how small, can make a difference, right? That little girl throwing them in the ocean one at a time, and that older man saying, what are you doing? You're wasting your time trying to, save all them. She said, maybe so. Maybe I can't save them all, but at least I made a difference to this one. And every action, like we say, has that type of either way to help someone rise up or to tear them down. And so we need to be able to, see everyone around us as equals, but also see them for this too. Talk about this in all my assemblies. All the students remembered what it stood for. I traced the lines on my hand again. With the lines on our hand, have at least one on each hand. That M stands for miracle. Letter M, upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And this shirt also has the M and the W for miracle and worthy, built into that logo as well. And so again, these students, to really grasp the concepts of doing the right thing even when no one's watching, when no one's looking, for them to, already get the wheels turning at a young age, what's bringing them that inner spark to go out and change this world. That's all I can ask for. And they really did get that today. And so I hope they can take what we learned for the rest of this year going into 2024 and just keep building on that, keep growing on that, and be the leaders that we know they are. So thanks for touching my heart. You're all beautiful. Can't wait to see you again. Until then, though, and as always, make sure the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.